Hi everyone, welcome back to K-Food Recipe Hunters channel. You've seen this fiery red hero everywhere, in every high school drama, every street food scene. Today we are tackling the legend, Tteokbokki spicy rice cakes. Here's what you'll need: Korean rice cakes called duck, fish cakes, 1 stick of green onion, half of onion, 2 tablespoons of gochujang Korean chili paste, 1 tablespoon of chill powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar or corn syrup, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 cloves of minced garlic. Step 1. Soak duck sticks in cold water for 10 minutes to make them soft. Step 2. Boil 300 ml of water in a pan. Then add the gochujang and dissolve the gochujang. 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and minced garlic. Step 3. Add sliced vegetables. Step 4. Add chopped fish cakes. Step 5. Add rice cakes at the end so they stay chewy and don't get mushy. Cook until the sauce has thickened and becomes sticky, clinging to the rice cakes. You can also turn this into tteokbokki by adding cooked ramen noodles. You can also mellow out the spiciness and boost the flavor by adding some cheddar cheese. Not ready for the heat of gochujang? You can make a milder tteokbokki with soy sauce instead of the gochujang and chili powder. It's always a good idea to dunk a boiled egg in tteokbokki sauce. Fried dumplings dipped in tteokbokki sauce will give you a real Korean vibe. Did you know Korea has famous tteokbokki snack bars? If you ever get the chance to travel in Korea, why not go on a challenge to visit the famous tteokbokki spots? If you loved this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe. What's your favorite Korean dish? Share it with me and I might turn it into my next video. See you next time. Bye.